I am bleeding.
I wonder if it can mimic.
3.
There's a mimic.
Yeah.
I really one of those though. Hello.
Males, mga ang tawag sila stag. Kaya mga male, tapos ang pagka female, tapos ang family. Ang una nga wala
Papa?
sila ginimpon sa family, kaya yung mga mature.
Oh,
sila.
wait, they're fighting. Oh,
Kung dito sila,
they're fighting.
ang
Oh.
ang
Is that the offspring?
Yeah,
na
they
sila
call it
na
a fawn.
ginapastay kay bag o balabata.
That's actually good.
Fire.
Dream
Male
fire.
sila. They're male.
Wait, they're mating right now?
Tapos,
Or-
ang
Wala pa na nakagina.
I think they
oh my
I think they mostly camouflage in order to.
mga water monitor na. Water monitor lizard. Tapos ang tatlo naman diyan na ano siya, inang aggressive sa balawag pang ampak na siya. Pero man times na buot siya, wala man.
I think she's family. It's a herd. Wait, what are those two doing? Oh, the other
Subong sa yanes, kay may baby siya.
Wow.
offspring. Offspring. Wow.
Boy. Boy. How about the monkeys? My reindeer.
It's a deer, not a reindeer.
Boy. Boy. Bye-bye.
Female.
Ako na
yes lang ah. So, ginpakwa daw na siya dahil. Gubal na kami ganit ito, man wala, duwa lang na doon sila.
This monkey that you saw in Salvador Benedicto beside the
Beside-
river.
Beside the river, yeah.
Yeah. Ano to siya?
Oh wait, come on, do not be camera shy. I need you. I need you to. That's not pig. That's a sieve. Is it
Isa lang.
is it full or
So you can say that if it's a wild animal.
those are aggressive? No. Then they don't make peace. Oh, there it is. He's trying to camouflage.
Like a leopard.
Oh, right there is in the corner. I think they're mostly feedful.
Sa may kabana naman.
So these are the parrots earlier. These are the parents from the water monitor lizards earlier.
No, dito makita siya sa kabana. Later.
Where is it? Hiding? I bet they're hiding. Shy. Shy and water. Shy. Camera shy. So they're on the trees there. So it also jumps as well. Hi.
How about this is enough?
Filipino doves and pigeons. Where's the doves? Oh, there it is.
Come here na. It's hot.
Okay, well,
Hard. Come here, oh.
wait, that kind of looks what?
Ano ba siya?
Yo, looks like Honduras. So
bulag
what
din siya.
species is that? What species? Like the python?
Python.
Pythons are huge.
Okay din.
Hindi.